Oh, yeah. This is BelchTycoon and I'm back. And guess what? I have something for you to do for me. This is a burping contest. And that was my burp for this contest. I'm the proprietor of the video. I'm the one who does the first burp. That was my first burp. Your turn. There are several different things you can do. You can put a video response down here, or you can go to my channel over. It depends on where you're at. If you're already on my channel, don't even worry about it, but there's a subscribe button. Your left. No, my left. It's on the right. I'm pointing. No. Yeah, there's one thing you can do, and just put a response here. I mean, you won't be able to see it here. I mean, look, all you get is my shirt. So, whoa. Stupid camera sucks. There we go, that's better. Anyway, I want to hear your burping skills. And no cheating either. I don't need you playing somebody else's burping videos and saying that it's your own. That's plagiarism. Not like I'd ever be able to tell the difference or anything. Just a note, though, you know, just don't try cheating or anything. Make it original. Record it after today's date, which is.
I forgot to get a calendar this year.
It's February 20th, and it's 4:20 p.m. Light it up. So, do I care? No. But yeah, enter this contest. It won't be hard. Whoa, I'm really losing my touch recently. Thank you.